I'm pretty sure you have already heard about the Amazon Associates affiliate program. But did you know they have a special program for influencers or content creators? Well, if you didn't, you found out now. And it is the best way to earn passive income while promoting products you already love to your audience, big or small. It will allow people to shop from your storefront as the biggest influencers do and be able to earn affiliate commissions for every product you recommend. Let's see how you can do that. I joined this program when my YouTube channel was pretty tiny, so it's safe to say that Amazon does not have a certain followers number that you need to have to join the program, but you need to have activity and engagement. No matter your number of followers or the engagement you have, I suggest submitting your application. You never know when you can be accepted and start earning affiliate income. What do you need to have to join the Amazon Influencer program? First, you need a creative outlet, so a platform where you create content around a passion you have. That can be either Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube, or even a blog. You can have a niche or focus on a broader niche, but focusing on a target audience. So creating content that helps a certain type of person. Next, you need to have some followers and engagement in your account, but Amazon does not specify the exact amount of followers you need to have. I would apply anyway. Let's see what are the exact steps you need to take to join the Amazon Influencer Affiliate Program, build your storefront, and start creating content, photos, and videos of the product you're recommending to get more product sales and more affiliate commissions. First, go click on the link in the description below and sign up for the affiliate program. You can use your existing customer account or create a new account from scratch. Add your email, add a password, and then verify your email with the code they send you by email, and verify your phone number and add the code that they send to your phone number as well. After that, Amazon wants you to choose the account that you have the most influence on to apply with, but later on you can add your other accounts as well. So for example, you can choose YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, and add your link or handle. Then you can start creating your profile. Add a profile image and all the social links you own, no matter what your follower count is on either one. Then you can go ahead and add your website link or your blog link and finalize the profile information and submit it. To make sure that your application goes through, you will need to follow the Amazon Influencer Program Instagram account from your Instagram account that you used to apply with. So for that, go to your Instagram, make sure that it is the Instagram account that you're using to apply with, and then go search for Amazon Influencer Program and click follow. Now, the good news is you can start creating your storefront and upload content even as your application is being reviewed by Amazon. So let's do that together right now so you have everything set up once your account is approved and you'll be ready to start recommending products and earning affiliate commissions. So to do that, make sure to go to Influencers, My Page, and start creating your storefront. Add a cover image that describes your niche, your activity, or your branding, and click on Edit Profile to add a display name, a profile image, a description, and all your social account handles or links. The profile image that you add should be a photo of you, the content creator. Now it's time to actually start creating some content and build your storefront. Go to Create Content, Idea List, and add a title and a description for your list. For example, as a beauty influencer, you can add my favorite mascaras and then add a description such as the mascaras that help me get volume and length to my eyelashes. These are the ones that I completely recommend to you as well. Then you will need to add at least 2 products to the list so you can publish it. And you can start searching for those products by your browsing history, by your order history, or just go and search the browse history and type in mascara, for example, and choose your favorite ones, and then click tag product for the one that you want to tag in that list. Then click submit. Now the next step to creating your storefront is to start adding some content you have created with those products that you're recommending. This provides authenticity. People will see that you're actually using the products that you're recommending, and they will be more likely to make a purchase and earn you an affiliate commission. So go to create content again after you've created a few lists of your favorite products. Click on post, photo or video. Select one photo or multiple videos. Tag at least one product in each post that you're creating, again by browse history or your orders history. Then write a caption for that post and submit it. Make sure that in the caption you add a short description of how you use that product and why you enjoy it. Remember, the more posts that you add and the better you optimize your storefront can also be a factor that influences Amazon into approving your application. And the more posts you add with content that you've created, the more chances you will have at people purchasing those products and actually earning you affiliate commissions. I suggest adding at least 3 to 5 idea lists and at least 5 to 10 product photos or videos, reels, for example, that you've created for Instagram and you also want to add into Amazon of your products, the products that you're recommending, so you can have better chances at getting approved for the Amazon influencer program and start making money with affiliate marketing on Amazon. Next, after your account is approved, you'll be able to see the status of your application in your influencer account, so it can either be pending or active. You'll be able to copy your storefront link and add that to your Instagram account or to your YouTube channel description and more. To influence the buyer's decision when purchasing that product, make sure to add content with you using that product and explaining the benefits. Another option that the Amazon influencer program has is for you to go live for a few minutes and talk about the product and how it helped you. Make sure to leave an honest review and just present the product features and why you recommend it. So there you go. This is what you need to do to become an Amazon influencer and start earning affiliate commissions as a content creator on TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube. Don't forget to join the program using the link in the description below, and if you've enjoyed this video and the information presented, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos weekly. Thank you so much for being here, and I will see you in my next video.